Another white one. Well, at least it's not a Dodge or a Chrysler, I guess. Or is it? Nah, she's GM product. Got brake line replacement to go. I'm gonna go from that tire over there to right wherever it meets up somewhere, the factory fitting. Yep, just replace the whole line. Brake lines is like next week in the week is linking the chain. My experience, just best to go ahead and replace it all. That line at least. Yep, getting in there messing around, you guys are able to tear up other brake lines, indoor fuel lines, the way they're put together on them. They're all bunched up together and you go moving one around and it breaks another. So yeah, I do what they call a layover and just replace the entirety of the line. It's going to take quite a bit of brake line there. Let's see. Now, how to keep these factory fittings without getting it all cobbled up. Man, I've seen some cobbled up stuff throughout the day. But what I'll do, I'll end up cutting this end off there, reusing that factory fitting, and the same thing over there where you can't see. Let me get started and nip this off there. Going to take this thing for a little test drive, get it down off these ramps. Let me show you what we got going on here. Alright, so that's how we do that one. And this, like I said, this line's just a layover because the original line is up into this frame. I just put little rubber things on there and crisscross applesauce with some zip ties. And where's she at? Up in there. Yep. Get out of here. Yeah, your exhaust needs wired up a little piece better, it looks like. But not my job. Not my job. Anyway, got you filled up on the brake fluid there. Alternator sounding rough, just saying. Alright, so took her for a little test drive. She's a little rough. You know, she, like any older car, she's got other things going on. To me, there also felt like there's a caliper sticking, hence all that brake dust. You know, I could be wrong, won't be last time, but you're all said and done, my man.